That severe thunderstorm warning continues for Bottineau County as that storm pushes south and eastward. Our Lake Metagoshi cam showing the ominous clouds in the distance to the west with that severe thunderstorm. Had a bit of rain at Lake Metagoshi, currently 73 degrees right now, but that severe thunderstorm, at least the worst of it, should remain to the west of Lake Metagoshi. Here's that warning for Bottineau County, which will continue until 6:30. It's right over Roth and Suris right now, as well as Carberry, and is moving southeast at about 20 to 30 miles per hour, gradually making its way toward Bottineau. But my concern right now, Roth and Suris, because that's where the hill core is, and I'm going to show you that right now. And this is a good indication of possibly anywhere to 2 to 3 inch diameter hail. Radar is indicating 3-inch diameter hail between Roth and Suris along County Road 6 northeast. So that's where the brunt of the storm is right now. Remember, this 3-inch diameter hail is radar indicated. It may be a little bit smaller than that once it reaches the ground, but this is a good indication that hail is likely falling from Roth to Suris, and especially in between towns. So as the storm pushes south and eastward through Bottineau County, we'll be watching it as it pushes gradually or tries to make its way into northern McHenry and northern Pierce County. But for now, Roth, Suris, and Carberry are getting the brunt of it. As far as Bottineau, you are under that warning as well, so be sure to remain weather aware. We will continue to monitor the potential for isolated storms, practically from Minot into the Turtle Mountain region on southern to northern Burleigh County this evening. Just depends on how much of that storm holds together and if we get any more development. But for your Tuesday, scattered severe storms will be possible anywhere across central and eastern North Dakota, and that severe weather threat, once again, hail and damaging wind will be a possibility for the second half of tomorrow. Temperature-wise right now, 88 in Minot, Raleigh 74, Bottineau cooling down as the rain pushes in from the north. South wind for now around 5 to 15, but the dew points in the 60s, so lots of moisture to fuel these storms. Ignore the Harvey one. This tends to happen, unfortunately, at the Harvey station, showing 84 dew point. That's not the case. But Bismarck, 90 degrees hot across the east, and some of that heat will be making its way into the region over the next couple of days, and that means we will be returning to 90-degree temperatures. So things are pretty much on the muggy and sticky side, not just for today, but for your Tuesday as well, and that is what's going to help trigger those thunderstorms as we go into tomorrow evening. Now, for the time being, for tonight, as I mentioned, maybe another isolated storm or two, but majority of us will remain on the dry side. But tomorrow morning, maybe a couple of storms for our northern counties, but late afternoon and into the evening is when we'll have to watch out for the rest of the region for our storm potential. And quickly looking at your 7-day forecast, the good news is that the heat won't last long. At least by Friday, we'll be back in the low to mid 80s with a nice looking weekend ahead.